Will your new landscape lighting system continue to create the same beautiful nightscape on night 3650 as it did the very first night it came to life? As the flowers, shrubs, and other plants in your landscape grow, they can begin to interfere with your original lighting design. Fixtures may become blocked and need to be realigned or adjusted, and plant life may need to be carefully trimmed. Over time, dirt, mineral deposits, and yard debris can greatly retard a fixture's effectiveness. System maintenance is just one more critical service Lighthouse provides its customers. Our designers take tremendous pride in their nighttime creations. For this reason, the first year of system maintenance is completely on us and free of charge. This means routine cleaning, adjusting, fixture relocating, or any other type of system maintenance calls are 100% free of charge. In addition, every part of your new lighting system is covered by an industry-leading and hassle-free warranty. Major system components such as light fixtures and power centers are covered for life, while even the outdoor bulbs in your system are covered for a minimum of 5 years, or as long as we service your system, whichever is longer. Lighthouse not only delivers the absolute best nightscapes money can buy, but we stand behind what we do and the products we sell for years to come. This is just part of what makes Lighthouse the #1 landscape lighting design company in America. Have a system installed by another company that doesn't seem to work the way you intended, or not at all? We can help with that too. For more information or to schedule a no-cost and no-pressure consultation, call your local Lighthouse designer today. A thoughtful and well-conceived lighting design will add warmth and elegance to your home like nothing else can. Have questions? Contact us and speak to one of our certified designers today.